This presentation will cover recipient agency responsibilities during food recalls involving USDA foods. Please note, recipient agencies should reference their program manual for additional information specific to their programs. Here you will find the definitions of key terms used in this presentation. A food recall occurs when a food has been determined to be potentially unsafe for consumption and is therefore removed from food distribution, sale, storage, and/or service to protect consumers. Food recalls occur for a number of reasons, including adulteration, mislabeling, and package failure. When a food recall involves USDA foods, it is OSSI's responsibility to ensure OSSI and RAs are meeting USDA foods food recall requirements. In the event of a food recall of USDA foods, OSSI will send a recall notification and request for information, first via email and then by telephone if no response is received, to the affected RA's identified food safety coordinator. The recall information will provide the name of the material, affected lot numbers, and any other product information available. RA should notify all sites of the recall and confirm receipt of the notification to the extent possible to ensure message was received and understood. Include product information and OSSI's instructions for handling or disposing of food product. Find and isolate recalled product and label product "Do not use" to avoid accidental use. RAs are then required to provide to OSSI as soon as possible, but no later than 24 hours after receiving the recall notification, the quantity of the affected product consumed, in inventory, further distributed to subrecipient agencies, and redirected for further processing. Timely receipt of product location and quantity is required for reimbursement. OSSI will provide instructions on course of action for disposition of recalled product or release of hold. In the event that pickup of a recalled product is required, the recalled product should be consolidated for pickup as soon as possible, but not later than 30 days after the date of the recall notification. If applicable, RAs and OSSI will work together to involve contracted storage facilities to determine the appropriate method and timeframe for handling recalled products. Any documentation regarding a USDA foods recall should be maintained on file for 3 years plus the current year. While information about a food recall may be communicated by a processor, distributor, or even the media, for USDA foods recalls, it is imperative that RAs work with OSSI to ensure the recall is addressed properly. Each RA is responsible for appointing a food safety coordinator and an alternate. Provide the name, title, and contact information of that individual to OSSI. Contact information should be available for 24-hour access to speed the notification process. If an RA further distributes food, maintain a contact list of subrecipient agencies, distributors, and other recipients. It must be possible to trace recalled food to the final recipient. Be prepared for a USDA foods recall by developing and training staff on recall procedures. USDA has developed a checklist of responsibilities surrounding a USDA foods recall, as well as a video that could be used to train staff about food recalls involving USDA foods. More information about USDA foods recalls can also be found on the USDA Foods website.